I'm going to start up the xf650 after a complete engine rebuild that lasted about 6 months, and I could start it a few weeks ago, but I didn't have the countershaft seal here, so you see the oil got spilled. So now I got the seal, the new seal. I hope it's not too much in, because I read it has to be flat with the case, but it went too much in. I hope it's okay. If not, let me know. So let's see how it runs. I did the upper part myself. I did the clutch side myself, the side, both sides, magneto side myself. Okay, let's see. Clutch. Okay, the battery is dead. It's a new battery, but I guess it got drained because it was not charging for a long time. I'm going to charge it and continue to record.